Here got another eBay package. I'm gonna unbox it. So let's start it. Cordless my iPhone 15 Pro Max, not my 13 Pro Max. So expect the HDR video to be better, more stable. So this is an electronics slot. It's all crammed in there, but hopefully everything's in good condition. So here's just the power bank, just a few scratches. Doesn't look too bad, but there's stuff moving around in there. But yeah, it has a broken USB port, but it looks like it holds the charge and stuff, and it works. Some of these will be destroyed. Shit, though. Some headphones look pretty damaged. Well, not damaged. Looks good, actually. Here's the other pair. I believe these are headphones. Looks so weird. It's a one-ear headset. Looks like these are broke. It's not broken. Yeah. Don't expect everything to be good. Yeah, that's a charger port. It's weird. I thought it was broken. There's a GoPro camera. I really hope this works. It looks really nice. If it works, then that's fortunate. I want to test it all though. I don't expect everything to work. It's the parts only lock. Some very shitty Vivitar flash. Well, it's not shitty. Usually they're shit though. Vivitar. We're gonna destroy the camera. The camera flash might be okay, but their cameras are shit. Typical shit. Don't know what this is. Let me know in the comments, but it looks okay. They all need to be charged. Oh, it's a vibrator, I think. So that's the attachment to it. Some HP iPad tablets. Very old, but it's good as a collector's item. Looks like it's in good condition. I don't have a charger for it, but if it doesn't work, I don't really care. It's good to look at though. Looks like it was made in like the early 2000s. It's a pocket-sized computer. It's an Amazon Echo speaker. It has that weird charger port. But if it doesn't work, they take the drivers out. Looks like it's in good condition there. Has another Bose sound dock speaker. Hopefully it's the sound dock too. It's the original one, actually. So we'll need to buy an adapter. If it works, then it's good though. I'm not gonna unbox it though. So this is it. Thanks for watching.